if we wanted to see better what it's doing, we could add that error message. Like, oops, actually, we should already have a layout with the flash, so I think I'm going about this the wrong way. Or not. There's just one layout, right? Application layout. Oh, okay. Well, it doesn't have what I thought, but I guess you would. Are y'all familiar with what layouts are now? It's like, you need a little more context, but you can print out the errors here, basically. Actually, let's not get into that, because it's kind of a bit of a tangent. Let's go back to, just to show. So I could do like, stuff present, I think. Okay, so hopefully now it'll print something out. Yeah, well. Join. Oops, what happened there? Okay, so there, now you can kind of see the error as. But normally you wouldn't want this, like right there, you would want it, like that's probably not a, it's a good example to show what it's doing, but not a good example of how you would actually do it. Because I think you would probably use the flash messages for that. Oh, yeah, did I change something? So I think you would do like polish, there might be a better way to use the join to, and then show the flash. Use the flash up here. Oops. I think that'll work. If I save it. See. Okay, I'm not. Oh, I did errors and an error. I might have to look that up. Oh, that works. Maybe it doesn't matter. I don't know if it matters, the symbol, but I think the convention is like notice. There's like a flash notice and a flash errors. I guess errors, maybe just plural. That would make sense because there could be more than one. And then if you really like, this is kind of the simple way to do it, just have errors at the top. But the better way would be to like style these inputs and like have something underneath, which is a bit more complicated. It takes more time, but that'd be the better way to do it. Cool. So hopefully does this make sense now? Like if save, redirect, else render new. Yeah. Flash is kind of weird. Flash is a Rails thing. I don't know if, I don't know, maybe other frameworks started using it too, but
this is the first time I've seen Flash.
Yeah, it's just for notifications and errors.
Sure. Scaffold just creates a parentheses tag and then it IDs it with notice, so I guess it gets yeah, it just
how does it do it?
Notice. Yeah, there's not even.
Oh, it uses notice.
There's no arguments at all.
What does that look like? Can I see?
Yeah, so parentheses tag, the ID of notice, and then just calls notice.
A lot of stuff in there.
There.
Oh. Okay, that's not what it is. So I guess it's getting notice.
All notices.
Maybe that notice is. Oh, I could try that, but I'm not sure if something else is doing that. Because notice, maybe notice. If that works, there's some magic that I don't know about. Well, it's probably, I probably need to set it to, well, I don't know. Just in case, let's do notice too. Um, so, so it's doing like that, right? It has an ID or something too, but I don't.
Yeah, it wraps itself in a parentheses with an ID of notice.
Yeah, I think that's just a styler probably.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh, that takes me back there. Okay, I don't know what that did. It didn't error out. It's like it didn't print anything from notice, did it? I don't know where that notice is coming from. But I'm assuming like if you just had some random variable with error. Yeah. So it knows about notice. I don't know. Let's see. Let's look it up real fast. Maybe it has something to do with. Flash notice. See, that's what I would expect. Something like that, not just notice. Maybe that's shorthand for that. But it seems like it should have printed something out if that's the case. Just flash that notice. I don't know.
It's definitely possible that I've mucked it up, for sure. I might have changed it, but
I'm assuming it's like shorthand for the errors. Okay, it doesn't like errors, just likes notice. Huh. Maybe errors isn't. So this only has notice and alert. Maybe error. 5, yeah, pretty close. I think I'm 511. Maybe I'm supposed to be using alert. Flash. Might have made up error. I guess you can set anything in there, but maybe the alert and the notice are ones that are. Oh, 2 sentence. I could do that instead. That's cool. I'm doing the JavaScript way. The join instead of this 2 sentence. Cool. Okay. Well, that's fine. I think it seems to me like there might just be notice and alert. At least that's in the documentation here. But you can like set whatever you want to call it, but maybe there's some magic around the notice. This is what I get from that. And normally this would be like in a layout. So a layout is kind of applies to all your views. So this application layout. Taking a step back a little bit. Let's do layouts. Application. So this is included like for all the views. It's going to have all these things in this layout. So it has the very outer HTML on the head, and then the view is the yield part. So you'd probably want to add a flash here somewhere so it applies to every page. It's kind of the way I've seen it in the past.